Hey friends, welcome to Patrick Zone. Today I'm going to cook strange but very delicious dish, and I have a maybe lying gossip with you. Oh guys, actually I'm very tired to start the new semester. I feel that almost everyone gets tired when they are in their third or final year, and starting my top my sorry, I'm starting my third year of university, and you know it's like you want it to end sooner, but it's okay. Oh God, so stay with me. Let's go. Welcome to Patrick's. I add honey, but a little honey, okay? Because the Greek yogurt is so much sugar, have shown so much sugar, so I think it's enough right now. And we mix all the ingredients. Okay, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator in for 20 minutes, okay? Wow, guys, look at this. Oh my god. I think I should add 1 spoonful of the yogurt, you know? Another one. Like this, it's great. No. So delicious. Look at this. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll try another. Oh my god. Okay, but for 20 minutes I put it in the refrigerator, so and now it's gossip time. Yay! Okay, before I start this, I should tell you about Lava Shack or fruit leather. You know, it's very sweetie, but it's very popular for Iranians, you know, like this. Oh my gosh, I love it. And another one, this. Oh gosh. Wow. Well, I should taste that. Oh my god. It's so sweet, but delicious, you know? And now, there's something that is very strange to me, you know? Um, that is when you study in Iranian universities, and of course if you are a woman, okay, so if you are what, woman, if you greet a boy in the first semester, you know, it's not flirt, it's not flirt, just hello, hello there, that's it, you know, that's it. In a first semester of university, of course, he will think, what the, oh my gosh, he will think you have a crush on him. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, girl, he think you crush on him. And that guy says a joke, and of course, sorry, or even if you are in a group and that guy says a joke, you know, and everyone laughs, ha ha ha, just it, and you also, you laugh too, okay? Oh my god, I don't know how to say it. The marriage plan comes into his mind. Girl, and in the first semester of university, in a first semester of university. Whew, okay. Right, and when you come to the second semester and if you just ask a boy for handouts, just ask him for a handout, girl, just it. Oh my god, everyone in the class will think that you are in a relationship with him.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Are you kidding me? Okay, fine. Another strange things is that, okay, listen about that. If you happen to see a boy's story on Instagram and he's your classmate, okay? Just see and you know it's happen, okay, to see and like it, okay? He oh my god, he will think you have a crush on him. I think it's enough, okay?
You serious?
Okay, it's enough for today. Oh my gosh, I need some water. Okay, guys, this word that I said were things that happen to me and my friends, unfortunately, yes. And these toxic cases are not only for boys. Unfortunately, it's more for boys, but also apply to same girls. And with respect to all people, we have the next part. Yay! Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Yay! Okay. Oh god. Oh shit. Okay, I try to like this. Look at this. I like it. Oh my god, it's so tasty. See, it's a great. Oh, I love it, guys. You should try it. Try it at home, okay? It's a great. Bye.